Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a char-grilled pineapple ice cream on the Pit Boss Navigator. So, to make this recipe, you need some rum, you need a quarter cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, 2 egg yolks, and 1 pineapple, of course, and some vanilla extract. Okay, we will also need a water bath to make the English cream, and that's it. Let's go. The first thing to do is to marinate the pineapple in some rum. So let's go. So I will make about 1 liter of ice cream. Now I will put the pineapple in a freezer bag, and I will put some rum on top just to marinate. So you can let the pineapple marinate for 2-4 hours. Overnight is best, but 2 hours is okay. Now that the pineapple is marinating in the fridge, we will make the English cream. So it's easy to do. The first thing to do is to whiten the 2 egg yolks with some sugar in a mixer. Okay, so we need the 2 egg yolks. Add the sugar, and we will mix at high speed during maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So as you can see, the egg yolks are whitened. So now I will add the milk, cream, and the vanilla extract to make the English cream. Okay. Milk, cream, vanilla, and now I will mix slowly. So the most important thing with the water bath is to cook the egg yolks slowly. As soon as the cream will stick to the wooden spoon, it will be good. So we need to stir about 15 to 20 minutes above simmering water. A water bath is like the indirect cooking in barbecue. Same thing, low and slow. So the English cream is ready now. As you can see, it sticks to the back of the wooden spoon. So now I will cool it down at room temperature in a new plate. I use a cold plate just to stop the cooking of the eggs in a water bath. Okay. my cream is cooling, I will char grill the pineapple slices. I kept the run because I will add the run to the ice cream. So I will char grill the pineapple slices on my Pit Boss Navigator 550. So the pineapple slices are well charred, the cream is ready, so now I will mix everything and put it in the ice cream maker. Up. So I will let the ice cream maker do his job for maybe 1 hour. So the ice cream is ready. Now I will put it in a Tupperware and let it rest for maybe 2 more hours in the freezer. The ice cream is ready, so now I will make a dessert with the rest of the pineapple. Okay, so let's slice the pineapple, and now I will make some cinnamon sugar. Just mix some sugar with cinnamon. Okay, it's easy to do. So what I will do now is just to do that with the pineapple slices. I will coat the slices with the cinnamon sugar. The serving plate is open. Okay. And now I will bring the slices over the flame. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.